Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Zaini's kitchen. Today we are making buttermilk biscuit. Very easy and simple. So let's not waste time and get to the video. So first take a big bowl like this and add in here 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. So the next thing you add melted butter is about half cup of melted butter. Just add in there. You're gonna mix this well until you see the sugar is well melted. So just like this. Once it's done, now add your flour into the bowl. With the flour that we're using, it's a self-raising flour. 1, 2. Now just open the space in the middle like this so that we can add our buttermilk. 1 cup buttermilk add into the flour. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and mix this well. Done mixing. As you can see, it's very sticky in my finger. What we're gonna do is to put some dry flour in this plate. Okay, now I'm gonna just a little bit sprinkle in the dough. I'm gonna just do this until you see your hands is clean when you touch it. Okay. Flip it and do the same. Baking paper or plastic or paper to just transfer this in it. So I'm gonna again add my dry flour and press it down to make it thinner. It has to be thin, not too much. So this is it. Now you have to flip it around nicely. Put it there, and from here you're gonna again press it down. So now it's time to cut it. I'm gonna use this lid because I haven't got any other thing. I'm gonna just, this is a sugar by the way, don't worry. So I'm gonna just put it there and press it down to make it round like this. So this is it. So it's coming like that. Okay, I'm gonna take my baking tray and sprinkle some dry flour and put my dough in 200 degrees. I'm gonna bake this for 20-25 minutes or until it's like golden. So make sure you check every 10 minutes, don't let it burn. The biscuit is done in 25 minutes. It's amazing, guys. Look how beautiful is that. Mine is more brown. If you like brown, you can go ahead and make it brown like this. If you don't, then you don't need to make it too brown like mine, but it's still soft from inside and moisture. It's very amazing and I love it. I'm sure you will love it too. So if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button, share this video with family and friends, and don't forget to comment down below and tell me what you think about the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.